Do you raid the fridge right before your period hits? I'm talking about those intense cravings for chocolate, ice cream, cookies, or anything sugary. Those unhealthy foods unbalance your hormones, makes you gain more weight, and it ends up with that wave of guilt and anger after you've wiped out everything inside. But here's the secret most women miss. You can get in control of your cravings, balance your hormones, and still lose weight, even when your period hits. I know this to be true, as the women I've guided have constantly experienced great results. In this video, I'll share 3 simple, healthy, and delicious recipes designed to support weight loss while satisfying sweet cravings in the days leading up to your period. And if you are over 200 pounds and you want to achieve your dream body in a few months, and drop about 20 pounds per month without calorie restriction or gym workouts, you can download my free ebook Unlock Your Dream Body, link in the description. Alright, now if you crave sweets or chocolate right before or during your period, you can swap them with medjool dates and dried figs. But medjool dates is the best approach, and this variety of dates has the best taste and texture. And I remember one woman who battled terrible cravings for sweets, especially in the days leading up to her period. And at night, like a tornado, she'd tear through the kitchen, raiding the fridge, the pantry, and the freezer. Then, the guilt and anger would hit hard. She'd gain 5 pounds in just a couple of days and hate the sight of herself in the mirror. But I told her there's another way. She did this and she finally satisfied her hunger. And not only that, but instead of gaining pounds, she lost them. And the trick is to swap high mucus, acid forming junk foods for alkaline forming, lymph moving versions that taste even better. And you can begin tonight. And let me explain about those type of foods. The 2 versions, acid forming foods and alkaline forming foods. Those acid forming foods are processed and ultra processed foods, such as cookies, candies, cakes, and so on. Those foods are unnatural and our body recognizes them as an intruder. The body creates mucus to protect itself. And because those foods are unnatural, they unbalance the hormones and make you gain more weight. Because they are acid-forming foods, they burden the lymphatic system and they affect the kidneys, which are the main eliminative channels to clean the lymphatic system. And this lymphatic system is like your sewer system to keep your body clean, to keep your organs and glands function properly, and to have the perfect body weight. When you burden that lymphatic system, you deal with intense cravings for junk food and weight gain. On the other hand, alkaline forming foods are the opposite. So those foods are the foods that comes from nature and they are in its raw form. For example, fruits such as bananas, dates, grapes, mangoes, those are excellent. Those clean the lymphatic system and strengthen your internal organs and glands. So with the right foods, you can change that scenario of eating junk food and ending up frustrated, guilty, and angry on yourself. Now, the second food swap. Instead of fruit yogurt, you can make a raspberry or strawberry banana smoothie. For this smoothie, you can add 3 medium-sized bananas and 1 cup of strawberries or raspberries. If you want this smoothie sweeter, you can add a little bit of agave syrup or raw honey. This is one of my favorite meals as well. It tastes so good and the texture is similar to fruit yogurt, but it is more healthy and you can escape the guilt that comes when you eat unhealthy foods and make you gain more weight. Now, the third food swap. Instead of pudding, you can smash an avocado and do a carob avocado mousse. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey or agave syrup, 5 tablespoons of carob powder or cocoa, but carob is preferable, 2 avocados, ripe but not brown, 3 cups of coconut milk. Place all ingredients into a high-speed blender. Blend on high speed until everything is combined. Portion into cups and refrigerate a couple hours before serving. Have you ever tried this? It's delicious. Write in the comments below what you guys think about those recipes. Now let's recap what are the 3 main healthier swaps that you can do them tonight. Instead of chocolate, use medjool dates. Instead of fruit yogurt, use raspberry or strawberry banana smoothie. And instead of pudding, use carob avocado mousse. And guys, remember, if you would like to shed about 20 pounds per month without calorie counting, gym workouts or running, and to finally fit into those size 12 jeans that you like, there's a link below this video to join your tribe, the Beautiful Body Tribe. That's a free school community designed for women over 200 pounds that want to shed those pounds as soon as possible and to have an accountability system that really works. Feel free to join now. And watch my next video if you want to see what's the best diet to lose weight. Thanks for watching.